How you doing? How you doing? This video is for Valentine at VTD Foundation Repair. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm with UpShot Solutions. We are the #1 online marketing consulting agency in Fort Worth, Texas. And so when we asked around who a pretty recommendable foundation repair business was in Dallas, you guys were referred over to us. And so I just want to talk about a couple things. I want to say that this Google My Business map listing right here is the most valuable thing or asset that you have on the internet. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna show you why, and I'm gonna show you how. When any person is looking for any service, they're gonna go to Google, they're gonna search for it, and they're 75 to 80% more likely to call these top businesses right here. These top businesses in these map listings, these top three, get 75, 80% of the phone calls. This is why your Google My Business map listing is the most valuable thing. But unless it's right here, it's not doing anything. Besides, I mean, also having a website, right? So there's a lot of adjustments that we need to do to this map listing. Don't just neglect this thing, because this is a very, very, very important piece of real estate that you have on the internet, right? So when we run your Google My Business map listing, it shows everywhere you are and are not ranking, right? So if someone lives in Casa Linda, right, in this area, they're going to see these top three businesses. It says you're number 7, which means there's 6 businesses stacked on top of you, right? And for the most part, that's how it is all across, in every area. But we can also, so like these top dogs right here, we can also look at these top dogs. Like, where are these top dogs ranking right now, right? So DFW Foundation Repair is ranking in these areas right here, which means you're getting a lot of phone calls. And essentially what I'm saying is you're missing out on a lot of calls, and you're missing out on a lot of sales, right? Just based off of online search alone. This has nothing to do with your referrals. But I will tell you this, when you start attracting more referrals from the internet, those people start giving you referrals, and it's just a snowball effect. Does that make sense? Dallas is no bigger than Philadelphia, right? Here's what we did to Philadelphia Foundation Repair. We did the same thing that I'm showing you now, right? Built an authoritative website. We got them. These are everywhere you see #1 is where Philadelphia Foundation Repair is #1 in the map listings and in the organic listings, right? Get even smaller with it, right? So how did we do that? Why did we do that? Why does it matter? Because within the last 30 days, from December 6th to January 5th, which is today, right? We've gotten over 113 calls, you know, not just foundation repair, but we also rank for waterproofing and, crawl space and sump pumps and French drains and stuff like that. But it's all related, right? That's a lot of calls just for one little area. And the thing is, we have a lot. We have a lot of these map listings all across this mug, all across the area. We got map listings. So we dominate the whole front page, right? All right. So with that said, you need to we got to take care of this. We got to optimize this. Possibly we do need to build a website that's going to help you, and fill out this information, like add that business hours, add pictures, add services inside of here, right? So with that said, Happy New Year's. God bless.